Afro's the Assassin, back with another banger. Today, just from all the forums, everybody's talking about this transmission brace. And I was like, eh. So I bought a cheap one. I didn't go with none of the major brands that I could have went with. I just kind of felt like being cheap. What the fuck? I know cheap parts on the Audi, not the way to go. Don't do that. I'm gonna be dumb, so you don't have to be dumb. But let me just unbox this, see what this look like, go from there. Okay, well, hold on. Let me open this thing. All right, y'all get the point. What is this? Yeah. Oh, this is it. I got this Amazon jump off. I forget what it was. Maybe 13, 14, 15, I don't know. Something like that. But, yeah. Could have went with I guess, a more expensive alternative. But, you know, for something that I just want to try out that may not be helpful, useful, I said, fuck it. So, here you go. I'll probably get out there. I don't know if I'll get to it today, even though I unboxed it today. I might do it tomorrow or day after. I'm not too sure. All right. All right, here I go up underneath this mug. And try to put you guys right here. Get some of that action. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if that's going to be a good camera angle. We'll see. This is a M10 with XZN or triple square bit. Let's see if I can break these loose. I don't like this angle, but we'll see. Okay. Managed to break that loose. Yeah. Let's see. Well, I think I'll get the point. Just gonna unscrew these. Hopefully gets it out of the one easily. That came out pretty easy. All right. Well, rather than have you guys watch this whole thing, I'm just gonna stop here, fast forward, whatever, to when I start getting the other piece up. And there she is, in all its glory. That's a stock component. Yeah, I just do it on the floor, yeah, whatever. Let's try to get this in. And you got a side by side. Not to say that it wasn't gonna line up, but here you go. Let's try to pop this in. 10-minute job, if that. All right, so managed to get that out, and there you go. That popped in. I'm just gonna start it. Let's see what we got. There we go. That starts in pretty good. Let me see. Yeah, easy peasy. Easy peasy. Look at that. Hand tight. Hand tight. Tight, 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 tight. I'll crank these down to the proper specification, which is good and tight. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. Too easy, too easy. Easy peasy, man. No worries. Really easy. Oh. Uh-huh. It's a real awkward angle for me, so bear with me. Oh, shit. Well,